Hello friends, in this series I am going to discuss machine learning theory as well as practical, and today I am going to discuss what is machine learning and how it is different from traditional programming. Machine learning is different from traditional programming and even the traditional AI systems because the programming model that is involved in machine learning does not require domain knowledge. How it is different is in C programming or in even in Python. If you are developing a normal standalone application, you require a series of if else loops. A lot of decision making is involved, and based on those formulas, methods, and various calculations, the final results are calculated. However, in machine learning, you think of it as a black box where you give the data regarding which you want the decision making to be done, and then this black box is going to process this data and give you the predictions or the results that are required. So basically, in machine learning, the machine is not dependent on the programmer for making the right decisions. The machine has the specific technique of machine learning in which the input data is given and then the output data is generated from that, and the programmer need not worry about how that processing will be done. A data scientist or a machine learning professional, they just need to understand what data is required as input and what kind of output is expected, and the model is going to work on its own. And when we see the traditional methods of AI or the traditional methods of programming, in that we have to give all the domain knowledge with the series of if else loops, etc. And all the programming, all the methods have to be thought of, the algorithms have to be thought of in advance, and only then the results can be generated. The machine learning algorithm is working on patterns, whereas your traditional programming or traditional AI methods, they are working on a series of if else. So that is what differentiates machine learning, and it stands out because in the huge amounts of data, we are going to look for the patterns and we apply various methods of machine learning, which I will be covering in the subsequent videos. So if you want to formally define what is machine learning, then machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that enables the system to learn from data and make the predictions without explicit programming. So, those of you who are afraid of programming, not interested in programming, don't want to learn C, don't want to learn Java, for them it is a good news that a machine learning model, you just need to use the already designed libraries in languages like Python, and which are very easy to use, and therefore and you can do a very good level of predictions using those models which are already available. So that is all I wanted to cover in this video. In the next video I will be covering the various ways in which you can use the machine learning models or various types of machine learning models. Thank you very much.